I'm Harold, and welcome to this session. And I really am pleased to be able to introduce the presenters for our session this morning, which is entitled Discovering Your Constellations. So we're out in the galaxies.
The stars.
The stars, that's right. That's right. Yes, it is my pleasure to introduce three presenters today. We have Jean Ballé-Massy, who is with the Témiscamingue Arts Council. Jean. Pascal Charbois, with Communications with Culture Art. And Dom Lafontaine with the Arts Council of Témiscamingue. All right. There is translation available, and we have Pascal who's going to be taking care of that. Thank you very much.
Merci Harold.
Thank you, Harold.
Alors, comme Harold a expliqué, ça va être une co-présentation.
It's going to be a
Dominique et moi,
co-presentation.
nous allons
Dominique and
présenter ce qui se passe dans la région du Témiscamingue.
present us to what's
Et
happening in the
Pascal
Témiscamingue
va
region, and
parler
Pascal
de ce qui se passe
will
au Québec,
discuss what's
qui
happening
est
in
très
Quebec.
avancé
And they are
par
very
rapport à ce qui se
advanced
passe en
compared to
Ontario.
what's happening in
Alors,
Ontario.
Alors, avant de débuter cette
So before we
rencontre, nous
start
aimerions
this
reconnaître
meeting,
que
we'd
nous
like to
sommes réunis sur
acknowledge
les
that we are
territoires
here
traditionnels
on the
des
traditional territory of Ojibwe and
remercions
Algonquin.
les nations
We are
algonquines et
thanking the
Ojibwe
Algonquin and
pour ce
Ojibwe nations
territoire
for this
traditionnel
traditional
partagé.
territory that we shared.
Alors, Dominique.
Okay, I'm going to introduce myself.
Dominique Lafontaine.
I'm
de
Témiscamingue
Témiscamingue
from Témiscamingue First
L'autre
Nations.
côté de l'autre côté
On
du
the
lac.
other side of the lake,
Je suis dans le CADAC.
I'm with CATAC, there's the Arts Council of the
Je fais
Témiscamingue.
aussi,
I'm also,
je fais aussi beaucoup de liaisons
I
avec
do a
Cultura,
lot of liaison
en
as
tant
well
qu'artiste,
with Cultura as an
indigène.
like a indigenous Anishinaabe artist.
Je suis aussi sur le CA
I'm also
de
on the
TLT
board
Témis,
of Témiscamingue.
la télé communautaire
So
à Provençal.
it's community TV channel, community channel, and before I was doing the radio program at Témiscamingue First
Et
Nations.
je suis ici pour
I'm
partager
here
un petit peu
as well
à
to
propos
share
de notre région.
to share with you about our region.
Ah, je pensais que tu
I thought
Oh,
you
no.
wanted to.
Ah, ben oui, oui.
Oh well, very well. I thought you were doing going ahead. No, Pascal Charlebois.
Je travaille pour
I'm
l'association
working for l'Association touristique régionale, so the regional tourist association of Témiscamingue. We're talking at the other side of the lake, the Témiscamingue, and Abitibi is more east and more north in terms of region. So it's an Algonquin name. So we also have a lot of Algonquin communities with whom we work. And so that's that, and we started a process based on arts and culture called Cultura, and I'm going to talk to you about that later on.
Okay.
On peut
On va
partir.
commencer ça.
So let's start.
Notre Conseil des Arts
The
Témiscamingue
Arts Council, Témiscamingue Arts
est
Council,
tout à fait bilingue.
is fully
Ça
bilingual.
représente toute la région.
Represent all the
On
region.
parle de-
We're talking-
on parle de stuff. On va tout la faire.
We're going to cover that in
Comment
our
on est
info.
arrivé au CATAC?
So how we
En
get to
2012,
CATAC in 2012, Témiscamingue Shores, the city, received guidelines from the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Sports to start a process to have a cultural plan to take into account the local realities. So it's really centered on the regions. It's very regional, and moreover, myself, my goal is to make sure that both regions, Quebec on the Quebec and the other side, really talk to each other and really are linked. And it's a trend. It's a great trend. So this is a process looking at exploiting resources, cultural resources in the collectivity, and having a better resource management, and to use them in the planning session and as well as the decision-making process on the local level. S'il vous plaît.
Il y a quand même des gros mots. Ce processus devrait
So
tenir
this
compte de la
process should take
contribution
into
de la
account
culture,
the cultural contribution and the four pillars of durability, economic prosperity. This is one.
Équité sociale, c'est ça.
Social
parce qu'on est
equity, for sure, because we are diverse, different ethnic groups and economic
La
groups.
responsabilité environnementale.
Environmental
c'est
responsibility or stewardship.
un très beau lac.
This is a beautiful
Vous
lake,
avez vu ça en venant ici.
and
en
you saw
comme
that
ça.
driving here.
C'est pour ça que je suis revenu.
It's beautiful. That's why I came
Moi, ça
back.
fait- moi, ça fait 4 ans que je suis
I've been
parti
here. I
de-
left 4 years ago, and I was in Montreal,
Je suis revenu ici, puis
and I
c'est
came
pas-
back. I came back 4 years ago.
C'est ça, je vais passer ça à Régine.
So, Réjeanne, your
Alors,
turn.
pour...
And what is the fourth pillar? Fourth pillar, I'm sorry.
La vitalité culturelle.
Cultural vitality or vibrancy, that's important. I have sheets of paper here. I don't know if I'll have enough for everybody, but it will summarize our presentation. So you don't need to take notes.
Alors, le processus de planification...
So the
comprend
planning
5
process
étapes.
is in
La
5
première
steps.
étape,
It's a
c'était
5-step
le
process.
démarrage.
First, the start.
Alors, pour... il ne faut pas oublier que
Don't forget that
pour que la ville de
for the
Témiscamingue
city
Shores
of Témiscamingue
se
Shores
dote d'un plan
has,
culturel,
for it to
il y avait
have a
certainement
cultural
un
plan,
incitatif
certainly there would be a financial
à l'arrière de
incentive
ça.
in the background,
C'est pas
for
par,
sure. It's not because...
En tout cas,
But anyway, in any case, it's not out of
que
their
la
good
ville a
heart
décidé d'avoir
that
un
the
plan
city
culturel.
decided to have
Alors, la première chose
a
qu'ils ont
cultural
fait, c'était
cultural
d'établir
plan
un comité
planning.
consultatif.
So first, we had a steering committee.
Alors, quand tu as des enjeux
Established
importants,
this
comme
committee.
nous,
When
les
you have those
francophones ici,
issues here that
on
are very
avait-
important for
c'est
francophones, like
important
for us,
de se
it's important
positionner.
to position oneself.
Alors, pour se positionner,
And to do that,
faut prendre, comment je dirais ça? Faut
how
prendre
can
le
I put
lead
it?
et puis
You need to
parler,
take time and you need to
faire du
talk to
lobbying,
people, do some
et puis
lobbying,
s'immiscer
and
dans les
then
comités.
just and be
C'est ce que j'ai
inside the committees, be an insider, and it's what I
C'est
did.
ça. Alors, je me suis,
So,
quand ils ont formé le
When
comité
they
consultatif,
started to
j'ai fait un
have
peu de
that
lobbying
steering
auprès des
committee, I did some
conseillers
lobbying
municipaux.
with
Et
the
puis, je leur ai
municipal
dit que j'étais
councillors,
très
and I said I was very
à travailler
interested
sur
in
ça.
working
Comme
on
je
that.
représentais le
Because I
centre
was
culturel
representing the Centre
en termes
Culturel
pour les
Cultural Center
francophones,
for the
c'est
francophones,
important qu'il y ait des
that was
francophones
important.
sur le
It mattered really. There were
Alors,
francophones
comme j'ai une
sitting
personnalité
at this
assez
committee
forte,
because I have a strong personality.
On ne m'a pas dit non. Alors,
They did not say no.
alors, j'ai embarqué sur le...
So that's how I started
Alors là,
to
la deuxième étape,
be on
c'était
to, to be at that
avec
committee.
l'incitatif
The second step
financier.
was with the
Ils
financial
devaient
incentive.
avoir embauché des
They had to
consultants.
hire
Alors,
consultants,
ils ont fait un appel d'offres,
so
évidemment.
they had a
Et
bid,
puis,
tenders,
comme de raison, on avait des bons consultants
submissions,
locaux.
and they had
On
good
avait
local
l'équipe
consultants. We had a
missionnaire
wonderful
Mais
team locally.
C'était des
However,
francophones.
they were
Et
francophones,
donc, on a choisi
and
une
as a
équipe
result,
qui
we
venait de
chose a
Toronto.
team from Toronto.
Bien contre les gens
I
de
have
Toronto.
nothing against people from
Sauf
in
que
Toronto.
Ces gens-là, ils sont venus,
But
ils ont
these
embauché
people
une firme de
arrived,
Toronto.
they
Ces
hired
gens-là sont
a
venus,
firm from Toronto,
ils ont fait
and what they did,
un tour de la ville
they
rapide
did a quick tour of the
pour
city
réaliser
to
que dans la
realize that
communauté,
in the
il y
community
avait plusieurs
there were
groupes
a number of
culturels,
cultural
sportifs.
sports groups and heritage
Donc,
groups,
ils ont vu que
all of that.
c'était peut-être pas,
So they realized that
avec
it
un
wasn't
survol
maybe
de journée,
with a quick overview with, on one day or 2 days that they could maybe
présenter un plan.
present a
Ils ont
plan.
donc
They needed
été
more time.
obligés
So they
d'embaucher
had
quelqu'un
to
local
hire somebody locally
pour faire tout le travail.
to do all the work.
C'est ça. Alors, cette personne-là
So
a
that
recensé toutes les
individual
ressources
did a
culturelles
census and
dans
looked
la
at
région
all the cultural
culturelle,
resources,
sportive,
cultural
patrimoniale,
sports
tout ce
and
qui avait rapport
heritage,
à
all
la
those
culture.
resources in regards to
Une fois que
culture.
ça a été fait,
So when that was
ils ont
done,
retourné
they-
le cabinet de
the
consultants
firm, the
a
consulting
maintenant
firm,
proposé des consultations
proposed
communautaires.
community
Ils ont eu une
consultations.
première
They opened it to the
consultation où ils
community,
invitaient des
and they
représentants des
invited
trois cultures.
reps
Parce qu'il faut pas
from
oublier
the
qu'autour
three
du lac,
different cultures,
il y a
because around the lake
les
you have the francophones,
autochtones et
you
les
have
Métis,
the
et
Métis
les
and
anglophones.
indigenous,
Donc, ils ont invité à
as
la
well as the
première
anglophones.
rencontre
So
des
the first
représentants des
meeting,
trois
there were
cultures.
reps from the three cultures,
Et ils ont demandé nos idées.
and they asked for
Après
feedback.
ça, ils ont, suite aux
And after that,
consultations,
after
au recensement de toutes les ressources,
census of all that,
ils ont
the counting of these
présenté,
resources,
ils ont
and they
dressé
took stock
une
of those
espèce de
resources,
vision,
and
et
they
ils ont fait
came up with a
3 séries
vision,
de consultations
and there were 3
communautaires.
series of community
Alors,
consultations.
comprenez que moi,
So you understand
j'étais
that
pas pour
I
laisser
wasn't
les
going to
consultations
let those
communautaires
community
simplement
consultations
au
just
niveau des
simply
anglophones.
be
Fait que
open
j'ai
to anglophones. So I
j'ai
mobilized
la communauté
the
francophone.
francophone
Alors, j'ai
community.
identifié 40
So I
francophones
identified
dans la
40
communauté.
francophones
Je
in
les
the
ai
community.
appelés,
I called
je les ai
them.
convaincus
I
de
convinced them
l'importance
of the importance
d'être là.
of
J'ai
being
également
there.
sur le conseil
Also,
d'administration
at the
du
board of
Centre
governors, at
culturel,
the centre,
2 personnes de
at the
Métis
board,
et j'ai une
I have
personne
2 people mainly and one indigenous. So these people, I said, organize yourself and to make sure that you're present. And I had to insist for these three cultures to be recognized for any cultural plan. So during the three meetings, I was making phone calls and they had a board, like a chart, and you had to put post-its as to what was important. So I told them, well, you guys, when it's your turn, when it says French services or when it's about somebody bilingual, responsible, well, put your sticky notes. So if you want something to be done, you need to be present and you need to follow the file. So that's what happened. And I mobilized the Francophone community. Dominique, that was more on the arts level. I am indigenous. Yes, these are my ancestral lands. So she's more as an artist that I wanted to be involved as an artist. It was more personal. It's really, when I came back here, I found myself, well, I thought, what are my people besides my family? Who are my people? That's really what mattered to me, for sure, of course. And in the indigenous culture, I have no choice.
You live on the res, you live on the res.
You live on the res, you live on the res in English, sure.
C'est ça, mais j'envisage de
I want to have projects and
surtout j'ai cette idée pour
I have some idea as to what we should do in the region and maybe look at maybe there's clay on the both sides and I want to know if we could do some sculptures, clay sculptures. That's a project that I'd like to work on. And also seeing the others to see if there is traditional knowledge or if it can be done. That's my level of involvement, if you like. After the community consultations, the firm presented a first draft to City Council. So there was a draft was sent to steering committee and we provided feedback and then they presented a preliminary version of the cultural plan. I was at the meeting when it was done and there was nothing for the Francophones despite all of that. So you understand that after the meeting, well, because that was one of the items, I came back home and I sent emails to all city councillors, telling me what is that? Asking what is that? The next day, in the morning, I called the mayor. And I called the CEO, like the CEO of the city, the manager-in-chief, and I asked, you surely received my email and you know it won't go well. Fly by the Francophone community, you know that this Francophone community will be mobilized by myself and I want changes. And what I wrote to you, I also I told him I sent it to the firm, to the consulting firm, so it needs to change. At the second presentation, where they had to make a decision, it had changed, and inside there was a hiring of a bilingual person for the Arts Council. After that, they adopted a cultural plan. And Dominique will talk to you as to what those goals, the objectives of this plan was. Oh, we're already there, eh? Already. So the municipal of Témiscamingue Shores, that plan aims to support the economic development by strengthening its attraction for a place good for business and having hiring possibilities and also having a superior quality of life. Yes. So these are some of the objectives of the plan. One of the first objectives was to develop centers like prosperous and pleasant
On avait
centers.
travaillé le centre culturel
We
pour avoir le
had
plan
worked for the
culturel.
cultural
Alors,
center
on
to
voulait
have
pas
that
que le
cultural
plan
plan. So we didn't want the
culturel
cultural
reste là
plan
sur
to
la
be
Et
to be
puis
put on the
que
shelves
il y a rien qui se passe.
and that nothing would happen, and it
C'est
happens
ça.
often, unfortunately.
Alors, ce qu'on a fait,
So what we did
en 2013,
in
on
2013,
a identifié
we
un projet
identified a project
parce qu'on savait qu'en
because
2015,
we knew that in
c'était le
2015 that was the 400th
anniversaire
anniversary of the francophones.
Donc, on a conçu un projet
So we designed a project. We designed a project to have a Christmas market, but whose theme was La Nouvelle France. So to do that, you don't do it on your own in silo. So we met the indigenous community, the Métis community. We met the merchants, the business improvement area. We met the Chamber of Commerce, and we met with the city of the reps of the city of the Témiscamingue Shores, as well as the farmers representatives for farmers market, to see if they would agree to have a village like a Christmas market with the theme Nouvelle France. And in that theme, obviously, all these elements were included. And because it was the 400th anniversary coming up, and obviously Heritage Canada would give us some money to do that. So we were successful. So when that was done, we got the money, and in 2014 it took us a year to build the project. And in 2014 we had our first realization. That happens in the downtown Louisbourg. That city the downtown is closed, and we bring chalets and wooden chalets, and we have games, we have costumes, and everything's happening in French. And don't forget that here in the region, when I arrived in 1970, this was the Alliance in English here, and when you would go to a store, it would tell you speak English. There was no francophone, no French spoken. So then now we have a Christmas market, a francophone Christmas market in an Anglophone community. So it's the first time that project involved the three communities. It was the first. It was a first. So that was almost like a miracle, an exploit. So the second year that Village Noël at Témiscamingue took place, again the same thing. Again it's in French. The third year, again, it's in French. So it's like something that you will not revert back to the old ways. It's happening in French. Of course, you have craftsmen that are Anglophone, but the craftsmen there, these are people that come from the northwest of Quebec and the northeast of Ontario. So some of them are Anglophone. So in the city planning, cultural plan, they had developed dynamic centers, prosperous centers, like that concept. So when we presented that to the city, it's exactly bang on fitting with your cultural plan. So could they refuse? Of course not. So it recognizes the oneness of all the communities, Anglophone, Métis, and Francophone. It was bang on. And for them, it showed the tourism, Ministry of Tourism, or the department, that it was working and functional. That was a way for us, the city, and the city was on board with us. So when we work on projects, the city agrees because we recognize the importance to work with the three cultures together. On top of that, one of their goals was to survey and commercialize the heritage wealth of the city. So we started another project. It's called ITIC. It's like interactive tours, community interactive tours. And we did community consultations, obviously. So this is an app that you can download on your phone. And you can go around, like you can do a virtual tour of Kobold, Louisbourg, Library, and also in the countryside. So again, it was fitting perfectly with their plan, so they did agree. So the next project that we are working on is the project Meteor. That was
Il
the
faisait
boat or the ship
la navette
that would
entre
go back and forth
Témiscamingue,
between Témiscamingue,
Ville-Marie
Ville-Marie,
et Haileybury.
and
À
Haileybury.
l'époque où il n'y avait
At
pas
the time, there was
de voie ferrée,
no
de
railway
façon de se rendre.
or
Alors,
any
le
other way
Météor,
to
ça
get
va
there.
être
So the
un
Meteor
souper-spectacle.
will be a show,
On fait
a
un
dinner show.
partenariat avec le Small Pond
We have a
Entertainers,
partnership
qui
with
est un
Small
groupe
Ponds
de jeunes,
Entertainment. It's a group of youth.
qui font pendant
And
l'été,
during
ils
the
ont des camps d'été, et à
summer,
la
they
fin
have
de
summer
l'été, ils
camps,
produisent
and
des
at the end of
spectacles.
summer, they produce
Deux genres de spectacles,
shows,
un
two
spectacle pour les
kinds,
plus jeunes et un
one for the
spectacle pour les plus vieux.
younger and one for the older
Et
kids.
le projet va se passer
So the
dans
project
le Météor,
will
dans
take
le
place
restaurant
inside
Le
the
Météor.
restaurant Meteor.
Parce que, premièrement, c'est un
First,
projet comme
because it's
pilote, là,
it's
fait
a
pas-
pilot
Avant
project.
d'étendre ça,
So before
on va l'essayer
making it
dans
bigger,
le,
we're
dans
going
le Météor.
to have a trial
Euh,
inside
Et
Meteor.
puis, comme partenaire, on
And
a
as a partner,
le Météor. le
partnership,
restaurant
the Meteor, the restaurant Meteor is our partner.
Et tout ça, c'était
And
dans le but,
all of
leur
that,
cinquième objectif,
well,
c'était de
the
reconnaître
fifth
et
objective was to
promouvoir la
recognize and
richesse culturelle
promote
régionale
the cultural
et
wealth, the
aussi
regional
de
wealth,
la ville.
and that
Maintenant,
how it
il
can
faut
benefit
oublier
the city.
qu'en 2013
So in
aussi,
2013
on
and
a fait,
2014,
avec l'aide
with
de
the help
Nicole ici,
of Nicole
qui
here
a
present,
travaillé à Direction Ontario.
we went to Direction
Elle avait déjà
Ontario.
commencé
She
le
had
circuit en
already started that
2002,
the circuit or the
2002,
tour in
le circuit
2002.
Champlain.
The circuit de Champlain. You mean the Champlain's route?
2002. Elle a commencé ça.
2002.
Fait qu'en 2014,
So in
on a réuni
2014,
les agents
we got
autour du
all
lac
the agents around the
qui faisaient
lake
le
together,
développement
working on
économique et
economic
de
development
promotion touristique.
and the promotion
Et
of
puis on leur
tourism.
a parlé d'avoir un
And we talked to
livret
them about
de-
having a leaflet, if you like, a brochure,
le point qui mousserait l'intérêt sur
who
tous les
would
points,
boost the interest on all the
historiques,
historical
patrimoniaux,
heritage
et tous les événements culturels autour du
highlights
lac.
around the lake,
Et à
if you
ça,
like.
on avait invité aussi la
And we
ville de
invited as well Témiscamingue Shores. The city, that city did not was not on board, and we took it over. Nicole worked a lot on that, and she created a website for the Tour du Lac,
La deuxième année,
so the lake tour.
la chambre de commerce.
And the next
Deuxième
year,
projet.
that was the third year after that, was the Chamber of
Donc,
Commerce
lui, le
who
projet. Et maintenant,
who
vous
took
avez le
over, and
passeport
now
Tour
you
du
have
Lac.
that Tour du Lac
Si vous avez
passport.
vu auprès, je pense qu'il y en a
I
ici,
think
puis il y
there
en
are
a
some
aussi à
here
Haileybury.
and there are some in
Alors,
Haileybury.
c'est quand on fait un projet maintenant,
When
on
we
attache
start a
toujours au
project
plan
now,
culturel.
we always attach
Et
it
la
to
ville
the
a un
cultural
peu de misère
plan.
à refuser.
And the city has a hard time
Surtout si
saying
on
no,
l'attache au plan culturel.
especially if we proceed
On
that
parle de
way.
refus.
In terms of refusal, since we're talking about
Ben,
refusal,
moi, je viens juste de me mettre dans la politique.
I was starting my
Anishinaabe.
political life, Anishinaabe political
Et,
life.
c'est ça, je voulais juste vous parler
I just
un peu
wanted to
des,
talk to you
comment dire,
How can I put it?
des jeux, mais des,
of not the games,
La politique.
la
Les jeux de
politique.
pouvoir.
Des jeux de pouvoir, la
the
politique, comment,
political
comment
differing,
aborder ça quand ça vient aux
the
Premières
power in
Nations.
politics. I want to talk about power in politics with the First
Dans
Nations.
ma nation, anyways.
In my nation, anyway, I can talk about.
C'est ça, c'est que faut se watcher parce que
You need to watch yourself.
il y a beaucoup de pouvoir
There's a lot of power, a lot of money
qui peut changer comme
can
ça.
change hands, like just like
Si
that.
si la tribu que vous travaillez avec,
If the
va
tribe you work with
promettre, quelque chose,
doesn't want to
et,
do
disons
something,
qu'il y a des élections qui
let's just say the election are coming up
on dit, 2-3 mois.
in, let's say, in 2-3 months.
Il y a une grosse chance que
There's
tout le
it's
conseil
very
va
likely that
changer
all that
comme
city
ça.
council
Parce
will
que
change,
ils
like
se font élire le
at the
samedi,
snap of the finger,
et
elected on
le
Saturday,
lundi.
and on Monday they start
Ça,
working.
c'est juste pour vous
Just to show you that.
Et aussi,
And also,
avec Cultura,
with Cultura,
j'étais parti d'un meeting, on avait un
I was part of a, we had a brainstorming for a project with the Parc Communicant. This is a national park at Akipawa, at the south, the Témiscamingue South, South Témiscamingue. Yeah, here I think we call it Témiscamingue North. We had a brainstorming session and we had a big art project and we said, let's go. And we filed an application with the government.
Just a rough idea. C'est ça. Puis l'affaire qui est arrivée, c'est
And what
que
happened,
la réserve là-bas,
the reserve
ça,
there,
puis-
reservation,
comme étant-
well, they thought, well, wait a minute.
Chez nous, là.
it's at our land, on our land, and that was done,
C'est un
finished.
peu plus complexe que
It's
ça.
a bit more complex than that, but
En fait,
actually,
c'est parce qu'on est un organisme.
it's
de
because
blancs
we are
qui
a
essaie de
planning
savoir
organization in order to
la
promote
Anishinaabe, donc,
Anishinaabe culture for
ça
them.
devrait pas
Then
être-
for them it should not be done through a plan. So there's a lot of issues like that. You need to really watch. You need to do a lot of outreach and really to also to go easy, if you like, to tread lightly, with a lot of respect and yeah, that's the key. That's the key, to be very respectful and to take your time to develop the friendships, to create friendships especially. And it's not only on the cultural aspect. Somebody playing guitar or whatever, just another person from the reserve. You never know in what family he belongs to. So because we have all these families at the reserve, so it's life on the res. That's wanted to talk briefly about that. After that, following that, the steering committee became, we were part of that projet de la pérennité culturelle, so the viability cultural life. The city still had some money, and we wanted the organization, the cultural organization and sports organization, we wanted to create a stronghold, if you like an umbrella organization, working with all the other organizations, not to take their goals away or their mission away, but more so to regroup all the resources, human resources, to pull it together. And all the stock that we have, all the organizations and of different missions, and we wanted to share with them as well. And the CATAC would create a calendar on which we could all put our activities down, so for it to not be in conflict. So we trained, it took us a while to organize ourselves, and last fall we are now incorporated. And once it was done, the city transferred the amount of money that was left over when we got money from the cultural plan initially. So currently, we have an employee, 10 hours a week, that's all we can pay for, and we need to work for 2 years before applying for the funds with the Council of the Arts or things like that. So that's our current situation. And Dominique will talk to us about the mission and our goals. Very well. Freestyle, okay. So the immediate goal this year is to establish the monthly newsletter by re-establishing a list. We cannot just take people from the internet, and we don't want to spam people, so we had to have a list, a service list, and so we've list, and then to have agreement and let them know. We also want to launch and build a website of CATAC to broadcast as well the list of physical, human resources, as well as financial resources of the members of CATAC, and as well as to carry out some objectives of this cultural objective of the city of Témiscamingue Shores. It's regional, but the city is the founder, because the city is an amalgamation. So, and to realize that, we have somebody who we hired, and she works for us. She does exceptional work. She organized that here, and we're so happy to have her on our team. And we established a budget as well, 2 or 4 years, taking into account the monies that we have and that we will ask for. So we need to work 2 years then before making applying for another grant, as you know, with the Council of the Arts. So we meet once a month. Currently we have a drink, 5 to 7 p.m. party, if you like, next Saturday. If you're here in the region, just come. You're going to be invited, for sure. This is the Council of the Arts currently, and you heard about the history a little bit and where we are at, and you could see, compared to Cultura, we're at that stage, and that's how we started as well. Can I ask something here? The Council of the Arts, Does it include the arts, the performing arts, as well as visual arts, all for that funding?
8 membres fondateurs.
8 founding members.
Et on a dans ça,
And,
là, je peux te les nommer.
I can tell you the
Il y
names,
a le Centre
their
culturel, il y a
names.
le Pied Piper Kids Show, il y a la Galerie d'art du Témiscamingue, il y a le musée minier de Cobalt, le musée
The Mining
patrimonial
Museum,
de Haileybury,
the Heritage
le
Museum in
Témiscamingue
Haileybury,
Native Support Group, le Centre écologique de Health
the
Lake,
Ecological Center of Health
et puis
Lake.
le Tomagami Artistic Collective. Donc ça représente beaucoup.
So we represent a lot of stakeholders. A lot of stakeholders are
C'est
there.
qu'il fallait convaincre
So we had to
les
convince organizations
d'embarquer dans le Qatar.
to be on board with Qatar. It's not difficult because organizations can feel threatened because they think they want to take their mission away from them to make their mission our own, but it's not that big. So when we'll have this evening 5 to 7, we want to do that outreach and to convince the other organization to be on board.
D'autres questions?
Any other question?
On va traverser de l'autre bord de l'eau.
Alors, avant que tu commences, the interpreter will catch his breath just for a moment. So we'll take a 1 or 2 minutes break. Thanks. Juste 2 minutes. Merci.
Donc, je vais faire une présentation.
So I'm going to do a presentation, more like a freestyle presentation because it's extremely wide cultural what we do. Actually, it's a wide range of activities. If you can ask questions in French or in English, it doesn't matter.
Peut-être commencer par présenter
Maybe
la
start
région.
with introducing the region, Abitibi-Miscamingue.
Donc, le nom est
So the name is an Algonquin name. Algonquins are on the territory for 8,000 years. However, but until recently, we could visit the region without realizing that there was that Algonquin presence. So it is part of the issues that we had identified. It was also a region. Témiscamingue is farming. It's agriculture. Abitibi is more forest and mining. Always boom and bust and up and down. We're doing well and people leave and people come back. So that attachment to the territory is more difficult under these conditions. So we would often hear people say, oh well, if there's nothing else to do, well, as soon as I'm retiring, I'm going to go back to Montreal, see my children, and I'm going to move. That was an issue. And so, we went through a number of stages before creating Cultura in 2006. Abitibi-Miscamingue decided to start quality of life, sort of to do some sensibilization of the quality of life of the citizen, working on that. And in 2009, Les Arts et la Ville Arts in the City, that's a provincial organization, so the link between the city and the culture. In 2012, Abitibi-Miscamingue decided to have the CED, Centre Mondial des Excellences des Destinations to come. So we are based at UQAM, and National Geographic Society founded it, and University George Washington and UQAM and so on. So what they do is that they travel all over the world and they're going to assess the destinations and establish about 100 recommendations for this destination to become excellent in terms of touristically. So within those recommendations of CED was, among others, to really value the Algonquin culture, or to promote and to take advantage or to leverage on that cultural dynamism present there, because our Conseil de Culture goes back to 40 years, so there was always that vibrancy, that vitality. I'll stop here and I'm going to introduce, we have a video here on what we did and the outcomes.
Quelque chose comme un projet. Puis, l'Abitibi-Témiscamingue s'est mise en marche. Elle s'est mobilisée. Cultura, c'est maintenant l'implication et l'investissement des médias, des hôteliers, du secteur privé et des municipalités. C'est plus de 450 projets et initiatives citoyennes, scolaires, municipales et entrepreneuriales. C'est des actions, des projets et de la co-création avec des organismes et des artistes Anishinaabe qui favorisent le rapprochement des peuples. Selon un sondage léger effectué récemment, c'est surtout des citoyennes et des citoyens qui connaissent la démarche, qui jugent celle-ci comme pertinente, qui ont posé au moins un geste afin d'y participer, et considèrent que Cultura contribue à augmenter le sentiment de fierté, l'appartenance à la région et la qualité de vie. Cultura est devenu un projet de société pour une grande partie de la population de l'Abitibi-Témiscamingue. Aujourd'hui, notre territoire, nos villes, nos bâtiments portent de plus en plus les couleurs vives de notre identité et de notre fierté.
All right.
Peut-être que je suis devenue chanteuse.
Maybe just.
Ah oui, hein?
Non, c'était un peu trop fort, mais on peut.
Donc, veux-tu juste
On peut-
faire un petit
Non,
son?
elle peut en reparler de la
Oui,
vidéo.
je vais en reparler.
Je-
Je vais revenir là-dessus. Puis j'ai une version aussi sur YouTube en anglais. Ok, je peux
Ah.
vous donner
Merci.
le lien. Facile, désolée. OK. Donc, en fait, mon
So
petit PDF ici
my little
reprend-
PDF really goes over what was said in the
C'est
video,
pour montrer aussi des
especially
images
to
de
show
ce
you
qui se fait.
images of what is being done.
Donc, en fait, depuis,
So since
depuis la création de
the
Cultura en
creation of
2012,
Cultura in
il y a eu plus de
2012, more than 450
450 projets qui
projects
sont mis.
were born.
Là-dedans, on compte
Within
plus
that,
de 250
more than
projets
250
citoyens
projects that from
d'embellissement.
citizens to make your
Une
city
centaine
nicer,
de
or
projets dans les
embellishment,
écoles,
if you
notamment
like,
beaucoup,
projects in
pour
schools,
avec le
the beautification in English. So there's a contest, Je veux te connaître, for children to be more exposed to Anishinaabe culture.
Environ 70
Around
projets
70
municipaux
municipal
qui sont
projects,
principalement en art public.
especially in
Et
public
une
arts,
trentaine de
and about
projets
30
qui ont été faits par des
projects
entreprises,
that were done by
aussi en art.
companies.
Donc là, la
So, our
mission
mission?
comme telle, l'idée de Cultura,
So
c'est de
now idea
mobiliser
is to
toute la
really
population
mobilize
de
the entire population of
dans un mouvement
Abitibi-Témiscamingue
créatif,
in a creative
rassembleur,
and
structurant.
movement and a structuring
misant
movement
sur la culture
by
comme
leveraging
source
on
d'action,
culture as a
de
source of
rapport.
action, of pride, and of rapprochement,
Bon, ça dit, hein,
for
je sais pas.
making
Je vais le laisser.
people feeling closer to one another.
On vise le ciel, on fait
So,
rien de moins.
The sky is
On
the
voit
limit.
que, l'Abitibi-Témiscamingue,
So Abitibi-Témiscamingue,
qu'en 2030, elle soit
in
attractive.
2030 and still now still appealing for
animée par une
people,
diversité de cultures et de talents.
animated by a diversity of cultures and talents. We want it to be centered on art, by the beauty of its spaces, and as well as the well-being and the pleasure, la joie de vivre of its population, and for the people who live there, live in harmony and by respecting the territory. It's pretty abstract, but how did we apply that vision? Some images here of what motivates us.
Évidemment,
Of course,
la grande ville a beaucoup
the
de
big
projets,
city has a lot of
Témiscamingue,
bias
c'est,
against
célèbre parce que les villes,
Abitibi-Témiscamingue. It's ugly because you have mines. Often we would enter the city
ce qu'on appelle les cours à
and
scrap.
we could see the scrap yards, yeah.
Donc,
So you would see the scrap yards.
aujourd'hui, on voit de
So a lot
plus
of
en
bias.
plus
But today,
de-
we see a lot more public art, more and more flowers. Citizens are participants of this beautification.
Ok. Les fondements de Cultura.
Foundations of Cultura.
C'est en 2012,
In 2012, UNESCO declared culture as being one of the pillars of sustainable living. And they had the Agenda 21, 2021 agenda, and we're clearly inspired by that. Yeah, we've covered that already.
Alors, nous, on travaille
We're
quatre
working
chantiers.
on 4 big
Art
projects.
public,
Public
ce qu'on
art.
fait, ce qu'on fait depuis le début, en fait,
What we do we've done from the beginning, at the very
Cultura
beginning,
était
at the
moins
outset,
défini comme
it was
ça.
a lot less
C'était vraiment
defined.
à force de-
So it's by dint.
Et maintenant, on est
We
capable
had
de
our
dire,
feelers
on
out,
travaille
and
sur ces
now
quatre
we can
chantiers.
really say we work on those 4
Ça a
projects.
été au tout début d'aller
At
voir
the
les
very
municipalités.
beginning, we wanted to meet the cities,
En
the municipalities in Abitibi-Témiscamingue. There are
77
77
Il y en a des très
municipalities.
petites
Some are
qui
there
peuvent
small
pas se permettre ou qui
that
ont
cannot
jamais
afford,
même
or
pensé
maybe they
avoir une
haven't even
politique
thought
culturelle.
about having a cultural
Donc,
policy.
nous, on a établi une charte
Cultural
culturelle.
policy. So we had
Et on les
we
a
created a
approchés
charter
pour dire,
with
bon,
Cultura,
on
and we
aimerait
met
ça,
with
vous
them, and we
engager
said
dans Cultura.
to them we'd like you to be committed
Vous engager à
to
faire des
Cultura
actions
and committed
pour,
to do
favoriser
to
les
do
arts.
things to promote arts and culture.
Et aujourd'hui,
And
il y
today
a 60 municipalités.
there are
sur
60 out of. Vous avez dit 67 ou 77?
60 sur 67.
Sur 67. So 60 out of 67. Sorry.
Et on a un président qui travaille
And
à
our
chercher
president
les 7 autres,
is
c'est très drôle,
looking
parce
at
que je
working with
reçois
the
des
other 7
résolutions
because I
avec des
receive
courriels
resolutions
qui disent, on
and
était sûrs qu'on
emails
l'avait signé.
and people say, oh, we were sure that we had signed it. We're sorry.
Donc, les municipalités elles-mêmes se
So
sont
the
engagées
municipalities we
à
felt
faire des actions.
committed
On n'a
to
pas pris de
do
chance, on leur a fait signer la
things.
charte une
We
année. L'année
charter
d'après,
was signed, and the next
on a fait
year
un gros événement,
we
conférence de presse,
we had a
dans
big
laquelle
press
invité les
announcement,
maires
and mayors were
à
invited.
parler de leur
It was a
projet.
big event, and we wanted them to talk about their
Façon
project.
de
It was a nice way
les
to
engager,
to-
leur tendre un bras pour qu'ils le fassent.
twist their arms for them
Et ça
to
a
do
bien
so,
marché.
and it worked quite well.
Donc, on a aussi contacté les chambres de commerce.
We also chambers of commerce, tribes council, and we invited all these peoples. They signed the charter, all of them.
Et donc, je reviens.
So I'll go back to my freestyle. I go back to the four
Donc, art public, c'est vraiment de marquer le
projects.
territoire par les arts.
So again, the public art should leave an imprint, a lot of murals,
D'aires de repos.
a lot of rest areas that are for artistic rest areas.
De l'art Anishinaabe.
Anishinaabe art.
Une murale de
We
Frank
saw a
Molson.
mural of Frank Molson.
Voilà, donc c'est vraiment de ce côté-là, c'est
So
beaucoup les
we, on that
municipalités, les
level,
entreprises.
so the municipalities
Nous, on
and the
agit
companies,
comme
private
soutien,
companies,
on
we
fait
are
des
there
appels,
support and receive
moi,
calls.
j'aimerais ça,
I'd like to
faire
do
un mural, je
a
sais pas qui
mural.
contacter,
I
je
don't know
sais
who
pas
to
quel
contact. I don't know
artiste travailler.
whom I should
Et là,
work.
ben, on les rencontre,
And then
puis
we
c'est quoi ta
we
philosophie,
get them together and
tes valeurs,
what are your philosophy, what are your values for your company, and we try to find an artist
bien
who
aller.
could be a match.
Puis on essaie de faciliter aussi
And so we
les
try to
processus de la ville.
ease the process, facilitate that process with the city,
Toujours été
because it
évident,
wasn't
il y a des
always
normes,
obvious. There are norms, standards,
des permis,
pyramids.
c'est pas toujours,
It's
on n'a
not,
pas toujours réussi, des fois.
We weren't always successful.
Mais,
Sometimes it was blocked.
c'est vrai que les villes sont
But most cities recognize now
la part
the contribution
des murales et des
of the
installations.
murals and those public
Donc,
installations
côté embellissement,
or facilities. In terms
donc,
of
c'est un volet
embellishment
qui
or
est
beautification,
davantage au départ
that chapter
réservé aux citoyens,
is more
Parce
for
qu'on veut
the
que les
citizens
citoyens,
because we want the citizens
fassent le ménage de leur cour à scrap.
to clean up their scrapyards.
Et donc, ils plantent des fleurs. Ils
So for them
plantent,
to
des
plant
arbres de
flowers,
verdure. On a,
trees, greeneries.
et on a procédé
We
par le
proceeded
biais
through
d'un concours citoyen qui
a
s'appelle Participe
citizen
au décor.
contest, participe au décor.
Cette année, bon, au départ,
This
le
year,
concours,
at
c'était
first, that contest
embellis ta cour,
was, embellish
des fleurs,
your
des
yard,
fleurs,
flowers,
tu peux
whatever,
embellir.
arts.
Et tu peux t'inscrire
And then you
et
can
gagner,
register and win.
Au début, c'était
At the beginning,
bon d'achat
it was
dans un centre jardin.
a
Cette année, c'est un peu
a card, a
différent.
gift card
Même au début, on
for
avait, on a 5
a garden
MSC, donc on
center.
avait 5
So we have
participer.
5 garden centers who are participants in those because we have
Maintenant,
5 different
cette année, on a
communities
décidé
amalgamated. So
d'élargir.
and we wanted to really widen the contest. I have now 11 garden centers that are participants.
En magasin, ils ont
People in the store, you can, when they buy, they fill out a form and they can win a gift card. But the regional contest is a piece of art from outside. So and then we walk through that. So it's in connection with that beautification project. So what's new as well, more and more, we want to have the organizations involved and the municipalities and ask of the municipalities. Some of them have issues around beautifications. For La Sarre, for example, They say to us, I want to make my city more beautiful, but it's over $100,000 so for one summer, and then it's a lot of money and for just one summer, and the flowers will die. So I'm trying to convince the city councils to do what is happening in Europe. They have permits to digitalize the public space, so the citizen can ask for a permit for a specific space, and for 3 years it's their own space that they can beautify. Where in Europe? A lot of it happens in France. And it's very easy actually. If you Google permis de végétaliser l'espace public, you see all the charters, you see all the forms. The process is there. It's very easy to start. Because they use those plants that are annual plants, right? It's true. All that embellishment. Is it done by the employees of the municipalities, or is it done by volunteers? That's what we're trying to start. Is really if we want citizens to be more involved. In Val d'Or, there is a committee called Embellir Val d'Or, created it 2 years ago, I think. It's really supported by the city, and they work on projects, such projects all over. That's what we want to develop, and it costs less, and we can do more. And then citizens feel really involved in my community. It's very common. Everything is done by volunteers. One employee and one student, summer student, and then he's going to water the plants, and that's it. And all of that is done by volunteers. What we are trying to do as well, we want companies to really plant flowers. It's not always easy, so some standards apply. Some norms in Rouen, for example, they can't even put because we are on the line, the flower pots. So we want to try to loosen maybe the regulations. Can we do vegetable walls? Green walls, plant walls. In La Sarre, what they do is that they notice that companies in garden centers they buy flower pots, but they don't have time to look after it. So the cities actually sell now those, and they charge a bit more because the cities then will be responsible for maintenance, if you like, and it's working well. Yeah. Non, c'est bon, c'est parfait. C'est parfait, c'est parfait.
Rapprochement des peuples.
So, rapprochement des peuples.
Donc faire en sorte que,
so making sure
que la culture
the Anishinaabe culture is flowering in the Témiscamingue. One person is fully dedicated to that. Was supposed to come here initially, but so she went around the communities. She looks at who are to look at artists and who they are, and to after that support them. And for example, she could write a grant application for Carchevrier and show him or her how to write an artistic plan. We really we need something that people have never done. It's a lot of work, and that's why we're here to support them. Maybe I could say something here. I was affected personally by this. Positively, I went to art school and I did some art market and, for 18 months, and after that I did some music, I did whatever. But it's just when Caroline contacted me 2 years ago, she said to me, I'm told that you're a musician, you do that. And then she was talking about all the subsidies that are available. I started thinking, oh well, yeah. You remember when you were an artist?
Oh, what? You get d'argent?
Yeah, there's money. Oh, and I can really apply for this. Even when you're 20, well. When you're 38, it's different. You're no longer 20, so you need that money. So directly, I was directly impacted.
Relaunched en tant qu'artiste, là, ça me-
As an artist,
j'adore travailler avec
I
eux,
love
puis,
working with them, and
ça, j'aime ça me faire inviter pour
I
faire
like
des
I do
brainstorms,
like
tout ça,
to be invited to do brainstorms. It's wonderful, wonderful.
Ben,
Thank
c'est
you.
réciproque, en fait. On
It's
adore
reciprocal, obviously. Yeah.
Puis en fait, c'est Richard Pistabiche
It's mutual.
qui est le
So
président
Richard
du nouvel
Lisabiche is the
organisme qu'on a fondé.
president of the new organization we created.
Il disait,
And he said,
moi, ce qui me touche surtout,
what
c'est
I'm
qu'on a
really
essayé de nous éliminer
affected
par
by
la
is that
culture
we
et
try
le-
to be limited by the culture, but you try to for us to be reborn
Donc, on a
through
fondé,
culture.
tu sais, au tout départ,
after having
c'est
tried
ça,
to
on a commencé
eliminate
par
us.
des cercles.
So initially we had
On
circles.
a 9 communautés.
We have 9 communities, Algonquin communities on our territory, and half of them are went to the Indian school, and the other one in English and French, half in English and half in English. So we didn't really connect to one another. Often it was just a dialogue that was just political or territorial, but we wanted to get them together and then to talk about culture and to look at what are the puzzle pieces that you still have with your culture to solve that puzzle, if you like, for this to be reborn, if you like. So later on, Minashan was created. That's the word. There is no word in Algonquin for art. That's the word that's wow, that's the awful effect. The awesome effect, sorry.
L'idée, en fait, c'est que maintenant,
So
Minashan est
the
l'organisme
idea is
qui va
that this organization will help
produire
culturally to produce shows.
Donc l'idée, c'est que ça se
So for,
fasse.
we want this,
100%
for them
autochtone.
it's 100%
L'idée, c'est que ça soit-
indigenous,
ça leur appartient
so it
maintenant,
belongs
mais
to
on
them,
soutient, en fait.
and we are just here in the supportive role.
Je pense que je vais... je vais en faire vite.
I think
Engagement
I'll
culturel, Catherine
go
Sentier,
through fairly quickly about
c'est d'amener
cultural
les gens à participer
engagement.
davantage
We want
à
people to
devenir
participate
des
more.
ambassadeurs
We want them to
de la
become
région.
cultural ambassadors for
Ça
their
peut
region.
passer par des projets de
It could be
médiation
done
culturelle,
through mediation, cultural mediation,
par des concours
through
citoyens,
citizen
par des
contest,
concours dans les écoles.
through contests in schools.
Donc, c'est d'amener,
And
au
we want
début,
them
si on
at
misait
the very
beaucoup
beginning. We
sur,
really
l'achat local.
we looked at buying local
À acheter des
to
produits
encourage
régionaux,
people
à
to
acheter
buy
des œuvres d'artistes
regional products, but as well as pieces of art that were local,
D'ailleurs,
regional.
avec le
In
Conseil
fact,
de la culture,
with the Conseil de la Culture at the very
mis
beginning,
sur pied des outils,
we
pardon,
created a
sur le site web,
toolkit on our website,
dont la boutique des arts.
including la boutique des
C'est
arts.
pas parfait, il y a-
It's not
il y a des
perfect.
communautés, mais,
There is
les
room for
artistes
improvement,
peuvent
but the artist
boutique
can open
et donc vendre en
an
ligne
online
leurs
store
œuvres,
to sell their arts,
des bijoux,
whether it is jewelry or
Oui, de toute la
from all over Abitibi.
il y a aussi un bottin des artistes.
There's
Donc,
also
les
a directory
peuvent,
of the artist.
faire une recherche et
They
faire
can
appel,
search
envoyer un courriel
and they can
pour
email
leur
directly
demander.
the artist through this directory.
Est-ce que l'engagement culturel, est-ce que
About cultural engagement, as it had
éducatif?
educational initiatives beside through artists or
You're
students.
doing the same thing you're doing.
Oui, en fait,
Yes.
j'ai pas parlé tantôt,
I
mais il y a les
haven't
commissions-
spoken about
les
that,
5
but
commissions scolaires aussi
there are
participent
5 school boards who work with us.
Peut-être pour les gens qui sont pas
Maybe
de la
who are
région.
not from the region like
C'est quoi la
myself.
population de
What is the population of Abitibi-Témiscamingue? Because a small region, people, there's a bigger, smaller region. How many
Environ
people?
148 000 personnes.
Around
mais sur un
148,000
territoire qui est
énorme.
huit
On
fois la
a
Belgique.
territory that is 8 times bigger than Belgium.
Ça donne une idée des coûts.
So it gives you an idea of the cost and all the costs associated with that. Do you receive subsidies from the province of Quebec?
C'est-à-dire,
Not
au
easy.
début, oui, on avait
At
un
first,
soutien du
yes.
ministère de la Culture.
Through the ministère de la Culture, of course, Tourisme Québec.
Au début, c'était vraiment dans
Because
l'optique de faire une démarche
At the
de
beginning,
tourisme
it was
culturel.
really, we wanted to focus on
Et,
tourism,
à l'époque, il y avait,
cultural tourism,
la
and
CRE,
back then,
Conférence régionale
CRE,
des élus,
la conférence régionale
qui était
des
un
élus,
organisme
c'est an
régional
regional
qui gérait
organization
l'enveloppe,
managing the envelope, the financing for these projects in terms of consultation, and they were supportive. And Madame Lecrae is now dead with the new government. So now it's a lot more difficult. There's been a lack of involvement. Now Tourism Québec is trying to cut funding as well. But luckily, we have the support of our hotelier, so the hotel owners, because we're an association, and then the hotel managers give 1% that the lodging tax that they give it back to Cultura. What is the percentage of that tax? I think it's 3, and you receive 1%. 1% of the full amount. You said that you had agreements with school boards, but they doesn't give them money. No, unfortunately, no. We have no money. No money. We have no money. The money we have, actually, it's used essentially for people who work and also do video clips. Do you have a sense of what is the percentage of the youth from 0 to 18 who were participants of Cultura? More than 100 projects in schools. It's hard to say the number of students, but last year, for Je veux te connaître, an entire school learned an Anishinaabe song to be introduced to the culture, so it's very, very touching. There's lots of schools are participants and different classrooms. It's difficult to know the exact number.
Merci.
Any other question? So, strategic vision or goals, orientations. Currently, we're looking at social innovation projects. We are trained in Living Lab techniques to really help the cities in the participative, consultative process to pull together the artists with all the other milieux. So, for example, with Les Arts, they are committed now. They were convinced to consult artists in their urbanism decision on urbanism. So the ultimate goal is attractiveness or attractivity. C'est attractiveness or attractivity. So we are now founding an agency for that. Not only we look at tourists, but we want to pull together all the steps in terms of HR, students, to make the city more attractive. Because the basis is really the quality of life. There's already an organization to promote, right? At the very beginning, we were partners. It doesn't exist, that other organization. It's dead now, but for the longest time, we were told that we were doing the job of somebody else, so it was. And they had a very limited budget as well. That was the issue. So if we pull together those resources, it would help. Our organigram, our chart for our interventions. A lot of meetings, very simple. That's the key, meeting people. Especially with cities or municipalities or MRC. This is les vases communicants. So it's a race it's a competition, and we're surfing on this, that competition between the cities, the municipalities.
super beau en fait en ce moment, c'est qu'au départ on
That's
voulait
really nice is actually to see that initially we wanted to strengthen regional identity,
ce dont on se rend compte maintenant,
and what we realize
c'est que,
now,
on a fait éclore les identités des 5 MRC.
the 5 identities of the MRC are now blooming thanks to us, and we are now one region and 5 destinations within that one region. So there are projects we talked about earlier about environmental responsibility. Amos, in the Amos region. I don't know if you know the Esquerre d'Amos, but it's a geological, it filters water, and this is one of the purest waters in the world. It's a geological formation, but it's also very fragile and open to contamination, sensitive to contamination. So what they carried out a theme park actually to allow people to, it's very playful. There's a number of areas, 17 municipalities work together and across the territory. It's also entertaining, but as well as sensitize people to protecting the environment. Since Cultura is filming, how many years have you been in existence? It was created in 2012, so that's 6 years. Just so I know how long it will take us for us. Well, that's that. We're thinking that we can do draw a lot of bridges as well with Ontario. Témiscamingue does it a lot already. So we are prepared and ready to help. We want to export as well our model. We are recognized by the government as because of our good practices in the cultural sector. We are also supported by the Canadian Commission for UNESCO. So we have good partners, nice partners. And don't forget that in 2012, the Association Touristique Régionale, Regional Touristic Association, you had good foundations. You were already working as a group when you took that project. But for the Conseil des Arts de Témiscamingue, you started from nothing. So the foundation is harder to build than the rest. I have to say that we made mistakes, I have to be honest. Our first mistake was to communication with the cultural sector. At that time, I was more in the cultural sector. I wasn't employed by tourism activities in Témiscamingue, but it was presented weirdly, like in 2015, even at first. There was a goal, 2015, a vision. In 2015, they said we're going to be a cultural tourism region, it's going to be huge. How can we be participants and what should we do then to be part of that vision? Well, they said nothing more than you're doing now, nothing more than what you're doing now. That was our response. So the artists felt exploited. Well, we're going to focus on what we're doing ourselves, but we have nothing, no feedback and nothing to provide. So it wasn't great, to say the least. For sure, at the beginning, the communication, the outreach wasn't clear. What is Cultura? People were wondering. It's like a mobilization based on culture and the arts. How do you do that? What is it? What does it eat in the winter? Following a French idiom here. We want to, again, refine our communication, and so we are more clear now. Was there a plan? Like a strategic plan? There was no plan? Like it was like done case by case? Now we have a plan. We have a plan now. That was the issue.
C'est un peu ce qu'on se fait reprocher à
It's what people say about us is
vision,
that tourism habitus, we have a lot of vision, we are
go-getters,
go-getters, but
on s'adapte.
we are adapting ourselves. It's a very creative process.
Organisation très, très
Organization is very creative.
Puis en fait, ce qui est beau de Cultura, c'est que
What's
ça
nice
ne
about
nous
Cultura
appartient pas.
is that it doesn't
Ça
belong
appartient
to
aux
us.
citoyens,
It belongs
Les gens en font ce qu'ils veulent.
to the people.
Il y a pas de
People
recette.
want, there's no
C'est sûr qu'au
recipe.
début, on a développé des
At the
outils,
beginning, we
pour
develop,
chacun des lieux, par
we
exemple, sur
created
notre site
tools like on the
il y a les
website.
10 gestes à poser
You have
pour
all
les
the 10
citoyens,
things
pour
to
les
do for the
enseignants,
citizens, for the
les
teachers,
entreprises,
for example,
tout ça.
for the companies,
Mais
for businesses.
il reste que,
But
un citoyen qui a une idée peut très
if
bien,
a citizen has an
dire,
idea, now we could say, well, we could tag Cultura, and
aucun contrôle là-dessus.
we have no control over
C'est
that.
bienvenu,
It's welcome
c'est en fait pour le citoyen une façon de
for
dire
the citizen or the individual. It's just a way of saying I'm proud of what's happening.
donc c'est un peu les résultats là,
So
60,
the outcomes, results.
je ne sais pas si c'est 66 ou 67 municipalités, il y a des territoires
66
non
or
organisés.
67 there is
Jamais si on les compte ou pas,
territories
mais
that are
les
not
municipalités sont quand même
incorporated, I guess, unincorporated. So
17 organismes de
17
développement
development
dans les centres d'habitat
organizations,
autochtones,
including le Centre d'amitié,
commerciaux,
Chambers of Commerce,
les 7 conseils de bande.
school boards and tribe councils.
Donc voilà, c'est des projets d'embellissement.
So beautification project,
C'est ce qu'on a pu
250.
recenser à travers nos concours. en fait.
That's what happened through our contest.
C'est ça.
But
Des projets
the
scolaires,
number is
une
probably
centaine,
higher.
au moins
School
30 projets
projects,
d'entreprise, 70 projets.
70 municipal projects, 30 business projects.
C'est très difficile de faire le décompte.
It's very
parce que les
difficult
gens
to
nous
do a
disent
proper
que,
census or
une chose
tally.
aussi qui a été très importante pour le
One thing that was
développement
very
de l'Orange, c'est
important
notre entente
for
avec
us,
les
it was
médias.
our agreement with our regional media.
Tantôt, je disais l'argent
I was saying earlier that the money
des ressources humaines
goes
et
mostly
à
to
des
HR
réalisations de capsules à peu près
and
à
to the
chaque
production of
année.
videos.
Une vingtaine de capsules.
About 20 video clips every year.
On a un réalisateur à l'interne.
We have
Et,
a director internally.
les médias
who does that,
régionaux
produces
nous ont
that.
donné plus de
So the regional
200 000
media
en
give us
commande
more than
pour
$250,000 for broadcasting
très vite,
those clips. So
avoir un impact.
very quickly, then we had that impact.
Et maintenant, on a l'UQAM
And UCAM and UCAT
à documenter
help us as well.
Je sais, c'est quoi l'UQAM?
Go with so
L'Université du Québec à Montréal et l'Université du Québec en Abitibi-Témiscamingue.
so at Abitibi-Témiscamingue à Montréal. Those universities, so they do research, and we research based on doing research on Cultura and to see how it has worked.
Voilà. Et ça, c'était les résultats
So
du
these were
sondage
the
qu'on a
results
fait
of
l'année
our
passée.
survey done last year.
De notre planification stratégique.
As we were doing our strategic
On
planning,
se demandait, ça a-tu- c'est quoi
strategic
l'impact
plan,
sur les citoyens?
wondering about the
Vraiment
impact on citizens.
Très surpris.
We were very
On est
surprised
agréablement
and
surpris.
very
Combien de personnes ont
pleased.
rempli le sondage?
How many
C'est un
people
sondage
responding?
léger,
How many respondents?
et,
Léger.
c'est un échantillonnage de à peu près 500 personnes.
So the sample is
69% des
500.
000 habitants ont posé un geste.
Ouais, c'est 500 à peu près.
So 500 was the sample.
Est-ce que ça c'est disponible en ligne?
Is it available online, these numbers?
Bonne question. Je peux vous laisser peut-être ma carte. Je pense que
Maybe
c'est
I'll
pas
leave you
encore
my card, not
électronique.
yet.
En fait,
Oui, j'ai
ouais,
pris un photo. C'est toujours.
You could maybe
je peux
take a photo,
envoyer
but
par
it's yes.
courriel sans
Yes, I can
problème.
send it to you
En fait, on travaille
via
à
email.
refaire notre
We are
site
working
Internet,
at
puis
really
éventuellement, ça va
relaunching
être-
our website or
Donc, vraiment,
revamping.
ça a commencé comme une initiative
So
touristique,
Cultura was really
avec
a
des
touristic
résultats
initiative
culturels.
with cultural
Oui,
results.
ça a,
Yes.
ça a commencé comme une entreprise.
Yes, initially.
En fait, on a engagé une consultante.
We
en
hired a
développement
consultant
de l'offre
That she was working on
de tourisme
tourism and culture,
C'est encore,
development of tourism and culture.
Dans ma région, c'est encore une idée un peu difficile.
Ouais.
Ouais.
In
Oh,
my-
le tourisme, c'est les
In my
villages,
region, this connection is a bit difficult. Tourism is lakes, is about lakes, and culture is maybe the little nice store. I live in the eastern Ottawa, east of Ottawa. In my county, my region is fairly traditional. We have resources like trees and it's agriculture, and it's difficult for people to recognize that what we do here, it should be valued, and culture it should be valued. It's always
They come from away, qui valorisent la culture.
they come from where the people who promote that culture, and
Ça change.
it's changing gradually, slowly. Don't they have a municipal plan? We have a municipal plan, but nobody is really engaged with that plan, or nobody's hired. When I listen to those stories here, and when I see all the people making phone calls and being so proactive and say the city, and then it's your cultural plan, you need to support us. And that's what we need to do. Yes. So what we thought, Tourisme Abitibi-Témiscamingue does the promotion of the region outside, but we thought it doesn't work if inside the region are not even proud and do not invite people to come and visit. So we need to do that internal promotion for every individual to be an ambassador for the region through arts and culture. So this is what connects us. This is how we. Do you work with economic development agents? Because often it's an important aspect. It's nice to talk about culture, but also we need to work hand in hand with economic development. It's not only about industries. It also attracts money. Actually, culture in the region. Tourisme Abitibi-Témiscamingue. Through tourism, we are subsidized by Développement Économique Canada, so DEC, Economic Development Canada. So indirectly, they know all about what's happening, and we have also the 5 chambers of commerce that are involved. If not, it's also, I haven't mentioned it, it's also through the cities. We wanted the cities to create Cultura committees. So cities now manage projects as well, Cultura projects, and give money to the committees to start projects and to create projects. Here in Témiscamingue Shores, we devolved our cultural projects. It's up to the organization to do those projects to really attract tourists in the cities. Do we have an officer, an economic development officer? Yes, there is one, but they're so busy, or she's so busy. So she's all the files that people don't want to work on, and she's overworked. So the cities where there was a lot of action. When you notice the phenomenal evolution is. Before, people thought of Rouen as the capital, but Val d'Or has done so well. They hired a cultural facilitator, and it made a huge impact, made a huge difference. When a municipality is engaged and hires someone on culture, it makes a huge difference. Yes. Yeah, people think of me as the person, like a pest, right? I keep pestering people. Elections are coming up. Yeah, we are aware. Of course, convincing people, talking about tourism and culture is not always obvious. Mining, well, mines. We have no money from them. We don't want to say they don't care. They don't care about those mining companies. But by creating l'agence d'attractivité, that attractiveness, what we tell them, we're going to attract labor force. And then, vous avez dit ça marche?
Ça marche bien.
It works well. Yes.
Il y a des synergies avec
Are there synergies between the cultural commissions of all the MRCs?
Ben oui, par le biais, comme vous mentionnez, des
As
comités
mentioned,
culturels qui ont été
through
fondés, mais
the
aussi,
cultural committees,
nous, on est là toujours en soutien pour
we are
eux.
always there
On
to
a
support
besoin,
them if there is a need that comes up.
Puis de temps en temps, on va les
And
on va
sometimes
leur présenter
we would knock at
des-
their doors and to introduce them or to present them what we are doing. Because they don't have necessarily the same objectives, right? Their objectives are often very much centered around artists. Now you're talking about the Conseil de la Culture, right? Cultural council, so that partnership with the Conseil de la Culture is a more flexible one, or sometimes it breaks down that elasticity. So their approach is more like a union, like a cooperative, like a corporation, I think. But it goes. I go back to what you were saying earlier. The way that Cultura's approach had scared away the artists initially, but with the Conseil Culturel, it's not really a good synergy. We work together. It's still fragile. That relation. How can we change that? What we're working on, we want to be careful as to how we say things. Initially, for example, we said we want to impact the territory through arts and culture. Now we don't say that anymore because artists, we're using the term embellir, so to beautify, and then they were feeling hurt. We were defining their goal that way. Now we mark the territoire, so we have an impact on the territory. Our mistake initially was to say as well that we don't work with the cultural sector, but the Conseil de la Culture will do that. But it was not done. So now we can no longer have the Conseil de la Culture closed. We don't want to do their jobs. So it's a bit tricky to navigate. So I think what we need to show them constantly is that first, we don't want the artists to be exploited. When, for example, a company asks a piece of art and I'm going to say that the artist is not there to do a poster of what's happening inside the building, but we want to encourage them to respect his artistic integrity and making sure that throughout the steps that the artist is paid, and we don't want the artist to work for free. So we do the best we can under those circumstances. That was the end of my slideshow. I want a big thank you goes to Spark. Thank you for having invited us. I can leave you my card if we can help you. We'll do so. It'll be our pleasure. I think you all work on incredible projects. Feel free to invite me. I'll be pleased to come and visit. Thank you.